Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, Our Life Journey. So before I get started into this whole 2026 January Carnivore Challenge, I would like to address two things. One, if you hear me nasally, if I'm coughing, if I sneeze, if I have to blow my nose, if I have to drink some tea, I enter 2026 with a cold. What can you do? Life happens, you gotta go with the flow. But I said I have to make this video because we are starting the challenge on Monday, January 5th. We are starting. So God help us, God give us strength. Now the second thing is, yes, I have been MIA. A few of you actually commented, where am I? If I'm still gonna do YouTube videos. You guys, I needed to take a break. So I love recording, I love making videos for you. But there are times where I needed to take a break from all social media, like no recording. I actually needed a break mentally. I don't know if you guys have ever done that, but plus it was Christmas, it was New Year's. I wanted to spend time with my family, but also, so you guys have heard that me and Kellen are going to check out tiles and different things. We're renovating the bathroom, so on and so forth. The reason is we are selling our house. Yep, we are moving. So it has not been put on the market yet, okay? So we are still working on that. We wanted to finish up the house and kind of all the little extra little pieces, which we did. So this year, our life journey is definitely taking a new journey. So I wanted to share with you guys because this background, my kitchen will be changing in the future. So it's gonna be a little while, but I wanted to let you guys know. If you guys want me to do like a house tour, you guys wanna see my house and what it looks like, leave a comment down below. Yeah, that's kind of like the whole new 2026, I told you, it's gonna be interesting. So I am gonna try to sell my house in the meantime, do this carnivore challenge with you guys. I've got a few other things that I wanna do and like plan out. So it's gonna be interesting. So you guys stay along and see the journey. Like I said, God help us. All right, now let's get to this challenge. All right, this is a January challenge. I can't really call it 30 days because I think it's like 28 days, but we are starting January 5th, like I mentioned before, and then it goes up to February 2nd, okay? So we got 4 Mondays. Now, it is basically gonna be the same as the prior challenges. You guys tweak it to your own, okay? Oh my gosh, I've had a few people unsubscribe to me because mustard is not carnivore. I'm sorry, that just makes me laugh. That is just so funny. You guys, if you wanna use seasonings, by all means, use seasonings. I'm a dirty carnivore, I love my seasonings. I like mustard, I like hot sauce. You guys have to try to stay as clean as possible, no sugars, no nasty ingredients. Look at everything that you are consuming, okay? But if you need to tweak a few things in order for you to really stick on this challenge, by all means, do it. This is what I'm going to do. I've mentioned it in previous videos. What I do might not suit you. So just alter the recipes, alter the way of the challenge. So first of all, okay, which is very, very important, I truly believe this, you need intermittent fasting. The way that our body resets every single day, when you give it a good break to digest everything, get everything in the system going and flowing, when we sleep and we're in intermittent fasting, our digestion works, our detoxification works, our mind is fresh in the morning. Trust me, it is a big deal. I highly recommend that you guys do research on intermittent fasting. Constantly eating, which, oh my gosh, Christmas and New Year's, I could hardly wait for this carnivore challenge because I put on some weight, you guys. Not good, not good. Okay, so yes, definitely need this challenge. So intermittent fasting for sure. Do about 16 to 20 hours I'm gonna go for that 20 hours. I wanna try as big of a break as possible. Now again, if you have to eat before the 16 hours, do it, all right? If you wake up one morning, your stomach is all growling, you're lightheaded, you don't feel good, just eat something, all right? Now, I might still continue with some tea, depends on how sick I am. Coffee, I'm drinking black coffee, but if you wanna do with some little heavy cream, something like that, go for it, but make sure it's not sweetened, all right? No flavor. We have to stay as clean as possible, no sugar. Now, we're still gonna continue high fat, high protein. The more fat that I ate, I just saw my weight go down, my inches start to shrink, because you're telling your body, hey, I'm giving you fat, so take away from my stored fat to make the insulin, to give the energy. Again, whole different study, whole different topic, but it is just so fascinating the way that God created our body. So, and then we need protein. Now, we do have a variety of meats, you guys. Carnivore is not boring whatsoever. Have chicken your first day, have it for lunch. And then for dinner, have a steak. Then the next, so I'm not doing breakfast items now, but you can have eggs and bacon for breakfast in the first, if you guys decide not to do intermittent fasting, okay? And then you can do sausage links, or you can do a variety, omelets. I have a lot of videos for you guys to go pick and choose from, so please go ahead and do that. Now, I will say, the previous challenge that I did, I started a week before you guys. So this way, when we start the challenge, I had a video for you, what I eat in a week video. Now, because just like 2 days ago, it was New Year's, I didn't have when to record my first week, the prior week for you guys. So I'm literally starting this challenge with you January 1st. So lots and lots of water. You guys, we need to detoxify our system. We need to cleanse out everything that we have. So what I'm going to do is drink, sorry, hold on. My throat gets dry. So what I'm going to do is take half my weight in ounces and then just calculate to see how many cups I need to drink in a day, which is roughly around 10, 11 cups, which I'm gonna try to do my best and drink 11 cups. Again, if you can't drink a lot, that's not a problem, but do drink lots of water with electrolytes. I need to buy some more collagen. I did run out, so collagen we definitely need. Good quality electrolytes. Drink your water every single day. Limit on dairy. I love cheese, I love milk, I love anything dairy. Sorry that the lighting. It's a very cloudy and muggy day today, so it's gonna be super bright and then super dim. So I'm just gonna leave it as is. We'll see what happens with the coloring. Now back to dairy. Dairy does hinder weight loss. Now a lot of the people is like, oh, it has fat in it. It's not the good kind of fat. It has the whey. The whey is not so good for weight loss. It's good for bulking up. Like you have the whey proteins, you have a lot of the different kind of brands out there. That's for bulking, that's for going to the gym and other reasons. But dairy for weight loss, limit it. I did do a 1/4 cup a day. I'm going to eyeball it, okay? If I want a little bit more today, I'm not gonna have the 1/4 cup tomorrow. Maybe I'll skip altogether on the dairy. So again, play around. No, it's too dim. Hold on. All right, I adjusted the screen. Let's see what happens with these clouds. Now, again, play around, but I did have a few people say, I'm not losing any weight. And my first question is, are you eating enough fat? And are you eating a lot of dairy? And yes, the answer was they did eat a lot of dairy every single day, and like breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So you guys, you have to choose what is more important, dairy or weight loss. And it's so hard because it's so good, but take it as it comes, okay? One day at a time, listen to your body. Do not stress. I don't know how many times I have to tell you guys, carnivore any weight loss, you do not stress. Don't overthink things. Take it as it comes. Okay, you don't know what you're gonna have for lunch? No problem. Go in the fridge, like, okay, grab a few things. Ooh, my husband's coming in from the garage. I told you, we are getting stuff ready because we need to make sure everything is set so we can sell the house. So that's what he's doing. He's in the garage today. So, hi, honey.
Hello.
All right, where was I? All right, dairy. Now, I did mention seasonings, optional. Oh, this lighting. It's gonna be one of those days. It's getting brighter. Okay, so seasonings. I'm a dirty carnivore, love my seasonings. If you guys want to do only salt, by all means, do only salt, okay? You guys have to do you. Don't listen to anybody else and different voices and different, you can't do this, you can't do this, you can't do this. No, it is your life, it is your journey, hence my name, my YouTube name, Our Life Journey. So this is what I have done to lose 90 pounds. So guess what? It works. But my body can tolerate seasonings. Maybe you cannot. So listen to your body. If you think that seasonings are not the way to go, then just use salt. But do use quality, good salt. Celtic salt, Redmond's real salt, stuff like that. I did mention about black coffee. You can use some heavy cream. So black coffee or coffee, water. You can use seltzer water. Flavored seltzer water, as long as it doesn't have any other like nasty ingredients. But I do love like the San Pellegrino. They have some flavored ones. So good. So coffee, water, seltzer. That's kind of like where I'm sticking to. That's it. And then lastly, no sugar, no carbs. Speaking of carbs, I did have a lot of people say that dairy does have carbs. I want to mention to you guys, anything that comes from the animal, I'm not counting calories, I'm not counting carbs, I'm not counting macros, all right? So dairy comes from the cow, the sheep, whatever. Eggs come from the chicken. You can use duck eggs, you can use whatever. Fat, again, lard from the pig, you have the tallow. You guys, anything that comes from the animal, and it's mostly dairy, okay? Dairy has carbs, dairy has sugar because it comes from the cow, it comes from the sheep with it, but I'm not going to count it. So when I'm using my milk powder to make the biscuits or the corn dogs, I'm not counting those carbs. If you guys want to, again, you guys do you. Count carbs, count the sugar, count whatever you want to. Me personally, I'm not gonna do it. Anything outside of the animal product, I will. So if I'm gonna have avocado, grilled onions, stuff like that, that's when I'll start adding the carbs. But do you. I might throw in some carbs here and there. And like I mentioned before, this is kind of this challenge will be like the previous challenges, okay? The whole point of this challenge is to come together, all right, as a family, support each other, ask questions, share recipes with me. Oh my gosh, I love it when you guys share what you do. I have taken a few of your recipes and try them out. Good job. So, and I take from other people and then I alter it. So if you see me with a recipe, I had somebody who's like, oh, Steak and Butter Gal had that first. Yes, I did take it from Steak and Butter Gal. Maybe I'm gonna tweak it a little bit to my liking and then I'll share it with you guys. But I'm not gonna take the credit for it. I'll be like, oh, this is my recipe. No, here is a recipe that I altered it, that I changed it up, tweaked it to my liking. You guys do the same with my recipes, please. Because when you're happy with what you're eating, your body understands it, your body likes it, and your body communicates. And then you're gonna see that your body is starting to readjust, to shift over. So I will have a video coming soon, kind of like where I'm at, because I'm gonna be very open and blunt with you guys. No filter, no secret. This lighting, hold on. All right, you guys, I will weigh myself, I will measure myself, I will take before and after pictures. You guys, you have no idea how important it is to do that, because you might have a very slow week. You might lose 1 pound, but I want you to take a picture every week. Okay, part of the challenge. First day, take a picture of yourself. The following week, you take a picture of yourself. The following week, you take a picture of yourself. The following week, you take a picture of yourself, okay? And then I want you to take the first picture. This lighting. What an interesting day to record. So, like I was saying, take pictures. And then you're gonna take your first picture from when you started the challenge, your last picture when you finish the challenge, put them together. And I don't care if you lost 5 pounds.
I mean, I'm not gonna say I don't care.
I do care. But for you, even if you lost 5 pounds, I want you to take that picture in the last picture, put them together, and then you're gonna see amazing results, okay? And then another thing I want you to do, you know how we have a to-do list? Okay, I want list. So I want you to put all of your things. You have inflammation, you have acne, you have arthritis, you have this, you have this, you have this. By the end of the challenge, I want you to compare. What did you get rid of? What has healed? What has improved? Okay, so if you had inflammation by the end of the month, okay, is your inflammation gone? You had sciatica, you had bloating, you had this and this and that. I want you guys to see the difference, okay? With Christmas and New Year's, I'm telling you, I had some major problems with my digestion. I was bloated, gassy, inflammation throughout my body. So it has been definitely a roller coaster, so I can hardly wait for Monday. I am going to take it easy the next following days because I would like to enter Monday a little bit more stable. Ketosis is inevitable, you guys. Some people might enter ketosis the following week. I have had people that after like 10 days, they entered in ketosis. So everybody's body is different, just listen to it. But keto flu is real, headaches, lethargic. There have been times where I just had to sleep on the sofa just to kind of like get into it, basically. So, all right, you guys, that's it. This is the whole gist of this challenge. If you guys have any questions, you know what to do. Leave a comment down below. And if you have recipes to share with me, do so. Love that. And then if you guys haven't done so already, I would greatly appreciate if you would subscribe. If you want to unsubscribe because I use seasonings and all the other stuff, no problem. All right. And if you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up. And if you think this would help somebody, if you want to invite somebody in this challenge, share it with them. I do have a poll in my YouTube post who is going to be joining the challenge. And I also have my Instagram ladies. That's kind of like more for like church goers, I guess. But just share this video. Let's get healthy in the year 2026. Till my next video, I love you all. God bless you. Have a beautiful and blessed day. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.